So I'm Dr. Lutz Mary, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So I'm going to take the topic a case study on corporate memories for supporting various aspects in the process life cycles of an organization for the subject knowledge management. This is an elective subject for final year 7th semester CSE students. So case study, it's an introduction. As an introduction, the clerical activities such as registration of stocks, the transactions, the addresses of business relations, and the like were automated. So, because the automation is often initiated at the level of individual divisions, it was not uncommon that different databases in an organization contained partially overlapped information. So, this was an unfortunate situation because the duplication and the maintenance of data may lead to inconsistencies. As a result, it may lead to uncoordinated and erroneous actions. So, to make things worse, the database were often based on idiosyncratic data models. It make the hard part of it to check for the inconsistencies. These are the inconsistencies leads to a situation where the administration with the computers was almost tedious, the competent one, and error prone as a administration without computers. So that the concept of corporate memory comes into place. So more recently, an increasing number of people have begun to realize that computer networks not only enable large scale data sharing, it is also possible to exploit them for knowledge sharing also. Not only data sharing, it can be used for knowledge sharing. So this enhances the learning capacity of the organization. So with the knowledge sharing, what it means actually, we mean that the insights developed at one place in an organization are made available to other parts of the organization by storing them in an organizational knowledge repository called as corporate memory. So knowledge in the minds of the individual worker is also considered as a part of corporate memory. Who are working in the organization, those people expertise that will be stored in the form of corporate memory. So because our ultimate goal is to investigate how the computer systems can be used to realize corporate memories. So narrow definition of the concept. The definition says a corporate memory is an explicit, disembodied, persistent representation of the knowledge and information in the organization. So this definition restricts the form of corporate memory but not the content of the memory. So any piece of knowledge or information that contributes to the performance of an organization could be stored in the corporate memory. So what it will include? It includes about the knowledge about the products, knowledge about the production processes, knowledge about the customers of the organization, knowledge about the marketing strategies, then knowledge about the financial results of the organization and the strategic plans that set by the top level management. So developing new knowledge. Companies survive by the continuous development new knowledge based on creative ideas, the analysis of failures, daily expenses and work in R&D and departments. So corporate memories can support these processes, for instance, recording failures and successes. So securing new and existing knowledge. The individual knowledge must be made available to others in the organization who need that knowledge. So this knowledge must be available at the right time, at the right place. So by storing them in the corporate memories, it is possible, will be persistent over time if it is properly indexed and found back easily, so that it can be easily retrieved